Trailer here going up to the Connecticut Antique Machinery Association's small engine show. So we got the KA stove and also the Fairbanks dish pan, and I've never actually run this one before. Me and a buddy of mine are going to try to get it working up there. We'll see how it goes. We got a mag to put on it, and I just gotten this nice oiler to put on there. So we should be in pretty good shape to try to run these bad boys, so we'll see what happens. Well, it's a little disappointing. We went to the show and I took the dish pan out of the trailer and it wouldn't start. I didn't think it sounded like it had spark, so I checked the spark and there was no spark. I ended up taking the points cover off the mag and sanding the points, and then it got spark after that. But the points are really worn, so I need to find new points somehow. Got the dish pan running pretty good here. And the Stover KA, another disappointment. Again, I was just so psyched up to get it running and we didn't get anywhere with it. So hopefully over the next week or so I can work on that mag in my garage and maybe we can put it on it and get it running. Stover over here, and mounted a mag on it, borrowed a spring because I didn't have the spring, and now we got no spark, so let's see what will happen. Pointed here with the Stover KA project. Had a couple guys working on it and we could never get it to get spark, and last fall I had perfect spark and now I got nothing, so we never even got to attempt to start it. And I was missing a spring over here that goes on the trip for the magneto, so I had borrowed one from my friend's engine, and we couldn't even get the spark. So I'm gonna take this mag back home and look at it again. The points look brand new in there, but something's screwed up. I don't know what it is. I'm sick of it right now. Well, here's some videos of some other engines that aren't mine, that are from the CAMA grounds, that were mostly engines that people had donated to them. And this one is pretty cool. It's an old, it looks like a sprayer rig, but it came from an estate in New York. It was a barn find. I guess the guy died and they donated it to CAMA, and they used it as a fire truck, like a fire engine on the property. So it's pretty neat. So it probably doesn't have a lot of use on it.
pretty amazing. Holy crap. Blowing a hole right in the ground. Exhaust. That rocker on, it's so weird.